Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio. Now it's funny that we call ourselves influencers on YouTube, but in fact my Facebook group are the group of influencers, and I'm just going to tell you that they are nothing but a group of big old fat enablers, and it's all their fault. So when I come to you and I say I have this piece because my group members made me do it, then you will understand that it is not me as the enabler. I have been the enabled, okay? So I'm just putting that disclaimer out there right now so that we are all clear that this was not my fault, okay? It is my fault I have no self-control, but this purchase was not my fault. It was Debbie Fahrenholtz, and I'm assuming I'm saying her name correctly, from the group, because she saw a video I did with a special drill diamond painting, and then she went looking, and then she posted a bunch of really beautiful special drill diamond paintings that she found on Amazon, which led me to the rabbit hole of Amazon to find my own special shape drilled diamond painting kits. So yes, although it may sound like I was the initial enabler, okay, never mind. Let's just take a look at this kit. Once I've said it out loud, I might have to claim fault here. So we're going to move on. Let's take a look at this beautiful kit. Now you guys know pink is my signature color, and not only is pink my signature color, but if you've seen the video that I did with the ombre of pinks and the yellows and the oranges, and I told you that those were my colors for my wedding, and I showed you how I blinged out my own shoes, etc., you will understand the palette on this piece, and that is why I chose it. You guys, I think I paid $7.98 for this kit, so I mean it was just like so anyway, let's just take a look at it. Okay, so this piece is a 30 by 40 centimeter, which is equivalent to about a 12 by 16 inch. Not exactly, but very close to that. It has 13 numbers and symbols and shapes. So this is a special shaped drill, which these are like gemstones. They're not the little flat plastic drills we're used to. These are more like the marquee shapes and the diamond shapes and things like that, which we're going to look at in a minute. Now it does come with, you know, our plain tools that we're used to seeing with our diamond painting kits, but these we're going to look at these colors because these are my wedding colors. Hello, beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to rub them on my face for a minute and love on them. Okay, let's open this up. So let me just scroll slowly here and let's take a look at these fabulous colors. So they are round gems, and then they're just in, you know, different colors of the round gemstones. And then we have our like teardrop orangey colored ones. Those are more of a pearlescent with like an aurora borealis. And then we have the small little tiny teardrops in the red gems. And then our more of a yellow gold in the teardrops, a purple pearlescent aurora borealis, and then a larger red, and then, oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's like all of my colors from my wedding put together. Hello, gorgeous. How are you? I just want to eat you as a snack. So now you know why I had to go look, and Debbie, shame on you. You made me go spend money because it was all your fault that I need to go to therapy for my spending habits. But beautiful, beautiful piece. And you know, they're super affordable. They're small enough. And one thing I did not point out is they are partial diamond paintings. So what that just means is that all of this background here is already done for you. Basically, I don't have to put all the drills in the background, so only part of this gets finished. All of this in here doesn't have drills on it, so a partial drill canvas just means it doesn't take as much time. I'm only going to be putting on the special drills in certain places. Part of this design is done for me. It's a very manageable size for people like me who have very limited time to actually work on projects. In fact, to be completely honest, in the past 4 weeks, I have done 0 projects. I've had 0 hours to work on projects, which to me is a complete shame. I've worked to the point where I have had 0 personal time, 0 de-stressing time, and I'm not going to allow myself to do that anymore, because that is defeating the purpose of doing what I do for a living. But beside the point, this is a nice little project for a weekend, and I really need to start setting time for myself to do these kind of things. And I just think this is a beautiful piece and very manageable. So this is going to be fabulous. I'd love to know what you think of this particular design, what you think of the color palette. Is it something that appeals to you? You guys, I'll put a link in the bottom for the actual Amazon store that I bought this one from. I don't remember which seller it was. There are thousands of third-party sellers on Amazon. Amazon is not the seller. There are third-party sellers. I will put the link to the person that I purchased this from, okay? Well, can you believe it? I actually finished a project. I know, I can't believe it either. Okay, so what I did is once I finished the recording of this video, I said, Melanie, that's me, let's go see how long it takes to actually complete this project. It doesn't look like it'll take long. It's not a full canvas like we talked about. There's not a lot of, drill placement, whatever. So I decided to do a little test, and it honestly, if I had been able to just do the project, this was about an 8-hour project. It did not take that long. And I did have a lot of family visiting and all that. So for me, it took about 2 weeks because I'd pull it out for an hour here or there. But in all reality, if you had a weekend, an afternoon, if you're a diamond painter, if you have any kind of skill, or if you've had any kind of experience, this is a very quick project. If you don't have any kind of skill or experience, this is not a difficult project to complete. And I really think this is a beautiful piece. So I am going to kind of zoom in on it and let you look at it up close. And it is I just think it's a beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you back soon.